If your sink stopper is stuck down, it's usually because the mechanism needs a little TLC to get moving again. So here's the deal. First, try lubricating the stopper mechanism under the sink with some silicone spray or even a little cooking oil. Just don't use anything too thick or sticky. Next, check the linkage that connects the stopper to the lift rod. Sometimes it gets bent or loose, so adjusting it back into place can fix the problem. You might have to loosen the pivot nut that holds the horizontal rod and move it a bit so the stopper pops up correctly. Also, clean out any gunk or hair stuck around the stopper. It can jam things up real quick. If your stopper is a pop-up style, make sure the lift rod isn't pulled too tight or too loose because either way, it won't work right. Sometimes just pulling the stopper up manually while adjusting the linkage helps you feel what's going on. Don't force anything too hard though, or you could break parts and make it worse. Little tweaks and some patience usually get your sink stopper working smooth again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a stuck sink stopper is ignoring lubrication. Dry parts just won't move well, so spraying a little lubricant can save you a lot of hassle. Another common issue is misaligned linkage. If that metal rod isn't sitting right, the stopper won't lift properly, so adjusting or tightening the pivot nut usually fixes this. Last, people often try to yank the stopper up hard without checking for debris or cleaning it first, which can damage the stopper or drain, so always clean out any hair or buildup before forcing anything. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like sink repairs. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who really need their skills, which makes everything easier for everyone involved.